Hello, Mr. Subhash. So I have a couple of questions for you. Why did you start ZenVed?
So ZenVed came into picture when I have a lot of students who went for engineering and they went for MBBS. There are two different tracks. A kid who goes to MBBS from the first day or maybe first semester onward, he starts going to hospital, start taking histories. He actually start working, which is he is going to do for his lifetime. The same thing didn't happen to the kid who went to engineering. He went there, he started learning theories, started going to labs and all, but he never worked for what he is going to do for his lifetime. So why we are starting this Zen way? Because we want the kids to have hands-on experience while they are studying engineering or any other course, which is a deep tech technology course. Let's understand what is this deep technology I am referring to. Maybe AI domain we are talking about, maybe aerospace industry we are talking about, drone manufacturing, semiconductor products, maybe defense sector or any other sector where you need a lot of technology. For that, we want students to get real time hands on experiences, real industry projects. During their 4 years of engineering, they should get to know that how they are going to be in their life or how they are going to do these work. Real actual work for entire 4 years will make them employable much more better and they will have much more better industry experience.
So you were talking about all your students who passed out from 12th and went into engineering. So that brings me to the question, who exactly is ZenVed built for?
This is built for anyone who is really very interested in tech, who is really very interested in building India a better place. I would recommend that anyone who is a tech guy, who wants to be an enthusiast in this, and who is really doing great in his domain must come to us. Come with an idea, come with a project which they want to build, and from our courses, they will must get benefited. What courses we are doing?
You were talking about semiconductor, AI, and all those fields, but I don't know much about this. So what exactly will you be building in ZenVed?
So, what we are building? We are building courses which will give you hands-on experience. Let's say you are a newcomer, you don't know anything about AI, you don't know anything about semiconductor technology, you don't know anything about drone technology. It should be that course which will build you from scratch to a person who knows expert level knowledge in this domain. As I said, it's a deep tech technology courses which we are going to build for India, which is going to be hands on experiences from industry experts. So, what happens here? We will say it as actually you are working for industry, actually, you are working on certain projects which is built in such a manner that you will be directly going to the industry and working with them.
This sounds wonderful. So coming to the last question, I would like to ask you, where do you see ZenVed going? What is the future of ZenVed?
Oh, so, our vision for this is we want to be a pioneer in India in deep tech technologies. What do I mean? We have built missiles, we have built spacecrafts, but till today, we have not built a aircraft of our own, like how Boeing and Airbus does. We don't have an aircraft of India. So eventually, let's say 10 years, 20 years, whatever, we want to build an aircraft of its own. This is just an example I'm giving you. We want to build an LLM of our own. We use ChatGPT, we use Claude, we use everything, but none of these is India. A large language model which can be built in India, used in India, and by Indian population, that's our dream.
Thank you. That was amazing talking to you.